Hi, want to know how to turn on fast charging on your Xiaomi Redmi Note 12? So, unfortunately, this phone does not have this feature named fast charging, but I'll give you a few tips how to make the charging process faster. So, first step is that we would need to swipe down to open the control center and here click on this airplane icon. After this, Wi-Fi, mobile data, and Bluetooth will be disabled. Next thing that we can do here is to open our recent applications. As you can see, I got none, so let's open some of them. Now, when we open a recent application here, you can notice this button with a cross on it, and this is cache clearing button. So by clicking on it here, you can see that I got 519 megabytes cleared. After this, the CPU won't be that loud and the charging process will be faster. Also, we can close all of the recent opened applications so your phone can take its rest. And the last thing that we could do here is to do not use your phone while charging, because your phone will easily overheat and also charge not that fast or just slower. So this is how it works. I hope this video was helpful and thank you for watching.